It was a beautiful Sunday, and I thought it would be a great day to make fried rice. So I started off with washing the chicken and the beef I would use. I seasoned it with some seasoning and, of course, onions, garlic, and ginger, and I put it on the stove to cook. When it had cooked and my stock water was ready, I sauteed some fresh onions, a good amount of seasoning alongside curry, thyme in another dry pot, and added my washed rice. Yes, I washed the rice with hot water. I gave it a very good mix. I added my kidney beans. This takes some time to cook, so the best bet was to cook it up with the rice. Then I went in with the stock water from the meat I had boiled earlier. I gave it a very good mix. Afterwards, I covered the pot so everything in the pot will have a very good interaction with each other. And then in a dry pan, I added a very small amount of oil and scrambled some eggs in it. This will be used later. Just stay with me. When that session was over, I took off the eggs and in the same dry pan I added another amount of oil and added some onions, sauteed it for a while, and added these tiny pieces of beef I had cut up. I stir fried it for a while. Then I added some green peas, fresh green peas. I also gave this a very good time, stirring it up alongside every other thing in the pot. Then I went in with some fresh green beans. I covered this up to cook on a low heat for a few seconds. Then I went in with my freshly diced carrot. I stirred it for a few seconds and I went in with my bell peppers, yellow, red, green. I gave it a very good mix as well for a very good interaction. Every flavor needs to come out and meet each other. That is when you get a banging delicious taste. I also went in with my cabbage and finished off with spring onions. I gave this a final good mix. Everything was looking good already, smelling good already, and of course my rice was well cooked. Then I poured in the vegetables into the pot of boiled rice and I gave it a mix, a thorough mix this time. To finish up, I added some diced carrots and green pepper. These ones I didn't stir fry them earlier. I did this because I wanted to have that crunchy taste while eating the rice. I also added some cabbage and the eggs I scrambled earlier. I give this a final thorough mix and yeah, my fried rice was ready. And guess what? It tasted so good, so flavorful, so crunchy, not too spicy. Tasted even better than it looked. This is my recipe. If you want to try this, please feel free to go ahead and let me know when you do. Please remember to subscribe, follow, hit the like button, and drop a nice comment. And until the next video, be good, be well. Namaste. Bye.